day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these.
Can you just let me do my vlog in peace? So boom, K on the grill. We cooking. Finna have a Clark, please, man. We finna have a cookout. It is hot. It's too hot. It is not even late, like. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when everybody get here. So it's the 4th of July. They out there popping firecrackers. Say hey to the vlog chat. And we going out of town tomorrow. So y'all,
family road trip.
y'all stay tuned, cause we're not going to Buc-ee's.
Y'all, man, why ain't we
Y'all
y'all think we gotta go to Buc-ee's?
What's
We
up?
always
Oh
gotta
my
go to
God.
Buc-ee's for family road trips. And
Y'all stay tuned for the trip tomorrow because we outside.
it's gonna be litty.
Litty.
Oh boy.
And then look, y'all. Pooping. It's pooping.
I know you lie. I know you lie.
Look at Corey's face. It's pooping, Corey.
No, it was actually $1.50. He just gave it to her for 50 cents.
Look.
This dog really pooping. I know you lie.
Look at
I
Corey.
know you lie.
Yeah.
Now that thing done popped my neck. You better hope it didn't put no hole in my pants. I felt that thing pop my dang on leg.
That thing did not pop your
You
leg.
a damn lie, that thing did pop my leg. And if I got a hole in my pants, she gonna buy me another pair. No, I just got my Nike leg. If I got a burnt mark on my darn pant leg.
Job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've been enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
Lord, oh Lord. Nasia, she gone, baby. She gone, man. She ain't coming back. If Gogo would let her go to the aquarium that day, we would have seen her. She should just let her go to the aquarium that day.
And then took us on that dolphin tour thing.
That we ain't never see the dolphin. Ain't seen no dolphin.
Tornado warning, and it said go inside. While y'all trying
We
to go
went inside the aquarium. We were going inside.
Okay, bro, so we done made it to the zoo. And it's hot. We just got off a little train thing. But we in Africa. Y'all say hey.
What's up, vlog?
But we'll get back to y'all when we looking at some animals because we about to buy tickets or whatever. So, yeah.
Yeah, working the chair. Look at Carl there.
Tony recording.
Yeah, working the chair. They fighting? Okay. Yeah, they want it. Oh, yeah.
He's doing that.
Are you ready?
Y'all ready?
Oh, look.
Get it. That's about as much excitement as you'll get out of the
I put enough of petty dudes. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men are like, ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got.
Welcome to the North Carolina Zoo for Adventure. My name is Thomas. I'm your guide today, and driving first today once again is Kenny. On this 45+ minute experience, we will be talking about animals conservation and enrichment, all kinds of fun goodies. Please feel free to ask questions, shout them out, raise your hand. No bad questions. Just go right ahead, ask me. I will try to answer to the best of my abilities. But I will also be asking you all questions, so feel free to participate if you wish, because they look like deer, don't they? This is a species of antelope known as the greater kudu. This is who we're about to talk about. And they really do look like deer. Your observation was not wrong. But these are antelope, and all antelope, no matter what they look like, are in the Bulbidae family. They're all cattle. They're all related to cows and goats. Kenny is doing a great job of letting them do what they want because this is their home. We don't want to scare them, spook them, separate them. Grooming the horn the way she wants it, and eventually it'll get to a point again as soon as she grinds it the way she wants it. Just takes time.
So when we went to the safari, 0 out of 10, don't recommend. She picked it.
It was cool.
It was boring.
You took a nap?
Yes, I did.
We seen the elephants and the rhinos.
Anyway, so now we finna go to North America or whatever.
Oh, you got 40 acres, you gonna show
And we'll get something to eat. Because we all some big bats. But I'm gonna get back to y'all later.
We going to see some grizzly bears.
Okay, chat. We left the zoo. And now we at Chili's. And I'm glad I'm hungry. A big bat ready to eat too. And y'all, the zoo, it wasn't really talking about nothing. Like, how you feel about the zoo?
How I feel about what?
The zoo. I don't know, chat. Don't recommend. I can't rock. Well, I'm gonna get out to y'all when our food is here. So, chat update. It's the next day. I forgot to do an outro. But overall, 4th of July was cool. The zoo wasn't what we expected, but it was good family memories or whatever. So that's the end of my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so y'all can be notified every time I drop a post. Stay tuned because I'm finna drop a banger for y'all.